This is 1720 Lombard Street, large apartment building in Philadelphia. Bordering the Rittenhouse Square and Graduate Hospital neighborhoods. Beautiful tree-lined street. Rittenhouse Square is just a couple blocks north. Beautifully maintained apartment building. Very secure and safe. Code entry to access. This is some of the common area. Really pretty landscaping. A lot of very unique, character-filled apartments. This is the property. And really pretty. And there's all sorts of units here. This is the entrance for most of the units. There are some entrances along here. And one apartment in there. This is the mail area. How you doing? This is the mail area. Second locked door here. On every floor there's a trash chute. Okay, right there. This is the elevator to get to many of the units. Enter. Now we're going to the basement to show you the additional laundry services. Right here, some additional laundry services. Most of the units have stackable washer and dryer inside the unit. Okay. There is recycling in here. The trash can be dropped through the chute. Tons of security throughout. You'll see lots of cameras. And that is the majority of the common space. Now we're going to head up onto the unit floors for whichever apartment you're viewing now. Alright, we're off the penthouse floor. The top floor of the building is the common area off of the elevator. This is the fire stair. The fire exit. Just to show you what that looks like. And this is one way to one set of units. This is another way to another set of units. Nice common area space. Pretty carpet. Again, top floor of this building. This is penthouse 2. Gorgeous apartment with amazing outdoor space. So as you walk in, you have your kitchen here, upgraded to countertops, stainless steel appliances, gas stove, which is super uncommon in buildings like this, dishwasher, stackable washer and dryer. Okay. And what cannot be beat is this view and balcony. So this is your own private balcony. stairs here. It's one of the best views in the city I've ever seen. You just see everywhere. It's a very hot, humid day, so it's not. The air's not always this thick at all, forever. But here's your sliding glass doors. Beautiful hardwood floors. Central air and central heat throughout the unit. There's your lofted space. Down here is a coat closet and very deep for additional storage. Here's your half bath on the first floor. Toilet, vanity, medicine cabinet, a nice island space, and just a perfectly functioning kitchen with stainless steel appliances, as I said before. This is the staircase up to the sleeping area, the lofted space. There will also be a floor plan included with this listing. Some built-in cabinets. Show you the other side. So great storage space. Another very small closet here. Just a really nice space. It's a fantastic apartment. Never seen a window that big. Perfect toilet, vanity, medicine cabinet, shower, tub, combo. And then out here is just a small balcony. It's like a fire exit, I believe. So this is another outdoor space. This is more of a common area though. Get back inside. And that's the unit. Beautiful space, great landlord, very attentive and conscientious and doing this a long time. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, this should go super fast. So let us know if you're interested ASAP. Thank you.